Hey, good morning to you all. How are you today? It's yet another day. It's always great to be with you. So, as you can see from our screen, if you haven't enrolled your kids yet, you go over here and have your kids enrolled. With that said, I hope you guys did your homeworks. So, what I'll be doing today is to start off from where we left off. Okay? So I'll be playing you CD2 21 to 24. So it's a continuation of where we stopped last week. So let's go get it started.
Track 21. Let's build. A. Practice the alphabet.
J. J. Juice. Jump rope. K. K. Kite. Kangaroo. L. L. Lion. Lemon. M. M. Map. Mother.
True. B. Ask your partner.
What is it?
I don't know. Is it a triangle?
No, it isn't.
Is it round?
No, it isn't.
Is it a star?
Yes, it is.
3. C. Ask and answer.
What are these?
I don't know. Are they pencils?
No, they aren't.
Are they blue?
No, they aren't.
Are they pens?
Yes, they are.
D. Listen and number. Number 1.
Is it big?
No, it isn't.
Is it a doll?
Yes, it is.
Number 2.
Are they square? Yes, they are. Are they puzzles? Yes, they are.
Number 3.
Is it round?
Yes, it is.
Is it little?
No, it isn't.
Is it a globe?
Yes, it is.
Number 4.
What is it? I don't know. Is it green? Yes, it is. Is it little? Yes, it is. Is it a robot? Yes, it is.
Number 5.
What are these?
I don't know.
Are they triangles?
No, they aren't.
Are they round?
Yes, they are.
Are they yo-yos?
Yes, they are.
Number 6.
What are these? I don't know. Are they blue? No, they aren't. Are they green? Yes, they are. Are they pens? Yes, they are.
Let's build.
Yes, as you can see, I almost got it mixed up, but it's okay. See, these ones were numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was looking for the numbering. I was going back and forth. But sad. So this is how we ask questions. Okay? What are these? Is it round? What is it? I don't know. Is it round? We use it when we talk about a thing. Okay? Like pencil, like the shape of objects, Is it round? No, it isn't. We use he. I mean, when we want to talk about people, somebody, we use what he for a male, for a boy, or for a man. Who is he? Is he your brother? Is he your teacher? Is she your sister? We use she for female, for girls and women. Okay? And when there are many, like you know, our subject pronouns are they, if it is are you my student, are they my students. So when we want to ask a question, we use am. I'm talking about I. Am I a teacher? Is it your pencil? Because pencil is a thing, an object. Is he your brother? Is she your sister? Are they your friends? Are they your parents? Are we studying English with Teacher John? Okay, so let's go look at, let's go see the workbook so that you see the things you're supposed to do. This one should listen carefully. These are pronunciations. Juice, jump rope, kite, kangaroo, lion, lemon, map, mother. Okay, well, let's go take a look at your workbook section. So write and march. So here you have your K, kangaroo. You've got your map, got lion, got jump rope. What is it? Asking questions. What is it? I don't know. Is it a jump rope? No, it isn't. Is it square? Is it round? Is it a yo-yo? Okay. What are these? And you see here, I want you to take special notice of this. Here they say, what is it? You can also say, what is this? When it is one thing. Okay? Or we have the singular, then we have the plural. And here when we say, what are these? So when we use the singular, we used is. Because is for one thing. And now we are talking about these. We're using what? Are. Because these is a plural. Okay? What are these? What is this? And we use this for one thing that is close to us, that is near to us. Because we say what? This. But if there are many, it becomes what? These. When they are close to you. But when they are far away from you and you have one thing, you say that. That is my pen. And when they are far away from you and there are many, you say what? Those. Those are my pens. Okay? So you have to do this. This is to teach you how to write, be able to write very well. And when you're writing, there are things that you will always see here. We use what we want to ask a question, as you can see here. And we use are because this is plural, many, more than one. Okay? see I, you see they. That is why we focus on learning about the subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. They are very important because in every sentence like this, you must have what? A noun and a verb. And these nouns are as in everything you can ever talk about, maybe from people to places to things, okay? Like John, like book, like pencil. So there are so many. But no matter what the nouns are, we can always find one out of the 7 pronouns. That means I, you, we, they, he, she, it. That we could use to qualify that noun without mentioning the name of the noun. So that is why we call them pronouns. Okay? So it's very important that you understand this. I will explain further when I take you to the workboard section. So here you have to write the remaining part of the question. What is this supposed to be? And you see here we have markers. So if you want to ask a question, see, yes, they are. So if you have to ask a question, then your question will start with are these markers? Yes, they are. Because these means that the markers are many. So when you want to answer now, you say, yes, they. That's what we use for. They are. Is this a marker? Yes, it is. Because you're talking about if it is one, you use it. Is it a marker? Yes, it is. But this one, are these markers? Yes, they are. Okay? So when you're done, you come here, it's all matching, and try to read these things as you're matching them. What are these? What is this? You see exactly what I'm telling you. Because this one is one, that's why we use is, and we use this. So this is singular. But here you see, what are these? We use are because this one is more than one. Okay? What are these? What are they round? No, they are not. Is it round? Yes, it is. What is this? So that is how we ask questions. These are very important because you as students, you must learn how to ask questions. Teacher, what is this? What is the meaning of this? What does this mean? What does that mean? Okay? So you're going to stop at page 45 of your workbook. But not without me taking you to my workboard section where I want to show you a couple of things. Okay, here we are. So as you can see here, we've got noun. What is a noun? Noun could be a name of a place like a country, like Canada. Canada is a country. See, because it is one country, so we use is. Okay? Singular means one, not two or more, just one. Canada is singular noun. Is a singular verb. So we use is when we talk about what? A noun that is single. Okay? Country, a singular noun. So here again, number B, they say Mexico is a country. Cambodia is a country. China is a country. Thailand is a country. Vietnam, all these places are countries. Okay? So here they're telling us a frequently comes in front of a singular noun. A is an article. We call it article. It comes in front of a singular noun. Okay? For example, a country, a cat, a pencil, a teacher, a book. So it comes in front of what? A singular noun. A comes in front of a singular noun, country. Here you see a country. A is called an article. So we'll call them A. When we talk about article, that means what we're talking about is what? A and an. How to use them. See here we have a kite is an animal. Also, animal is a noun, and an is what we use, just like a is an article. But why do we have to use an instead of using a? Because animal starts with the vowel sound. A and an have the same meaning. They are both articles. A is used in front of words that begin with consonant. Okay? Consonant means every other alphabet, B, C, D, F, G, J, K, that are not A, E, I, O, U. Because A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So if they are not vowels, then they are consonants. Okay? So here we have an is used in front of a word that begins with A, E, I, O. You see that? Example, an animal, because animal starts with what? Start with A, which is a vowel. An ear, your ear, it starts with E, which is what? A vowel. Okay? An Ireland. An Ireland, I starts with what? I, which is what? A vowel. An office. My daddy works in an office. You see, office starts with what? O, which is what? A vowel. So we use an, your apple, an apple. But A and N, they are the same. They're all called articles, but we use them both depending on what the noun starts with. If it starts with a consonant, then we use A. But if the noun starts with what? A vowel, we use what? N. Okay? I think that's going to be all about it for today with the grammar section. So we'll do more maybe by tomorrow. We'll be taking it bit by bit. But at least today, you know what a noun is. I've told you before. A noun is name of a person or animal or place or a thing. Okay? I want to quickly show you a few things from this place where we talked before, just to refresh your memory. I will have your subject I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. You see, I am your teacher. Are you talking to me? You are my student. Are you in my class? You are in my class. He is a student. Are you talking to him? She, it. See, this one we call, these ones come at the end of a sentence. These ones come at the beginning of a sentence. Try to make sentences using any of these every day as much as you can. Remember something to talk about. Remember a verb, maybe. I can talk about play. I play with my friends. Remember anything, jump, cook, fly, swim, sing, listen, dance. If you can be able to make sentences on your own, that will help you. When am I supposed to say I? When am I supposed to say me? When am I supposed to say they? When am I supposed to say them? So we'll be doing some couple of exercises that will help you to get to understand this more. And we'll have the nouns we can count. We have the nouns we cannot count. Okay? The count noun is the one we can count, like book, chair, like pencil. We call them the countable nouns. Those ones that we cannot count, we call them what? Non-countable nouns. For example, your milk, your sugar, your rice, coffee. Okay? So just like I was telling you, you see, the reason why we use all these things, you must learn them, is because no matter what the nouns, there must be one out of this that we could use to replace that noun. Okay? So that is why it is important, because we cannot begin to teach students by mentioning all the nouns all the time. Want to say something, because you can never be able to do that. So the best way is to be using these subject pronouns or personal pronouns. So it makes it easier for us. For example, here, this is a singular, is a noun, a child. If I don't want to say a child, because I don't know if the child is a boy or a girl, I will say it. Here I have children, which means boys and girls, I don't know who and who are the children. But if I don't want to say children, I'll say they. Okay? Because there are many. Here we have woman, which is one woman. I'll say what? She, because I know a woman is a girl. So I'll use she. Here you have women. That means there are many. I will use they. Here you have a man. I will use he. I have a man. I'll use what? They, because there are many. This is foot. Means one of your feet. I'll use it. Here you have feet. I'll use what? They. The same way here you have radio, which is it. The radio you play at home. I have what? Radios. Say they. Okay? So for every noun, there must be a corresponding pronoun, subject pronoun to identify them. Just like what I was telling you when I started, the first thing I said, I hope you guys did do your homeworks. You guys, there means you, because you always comes two places when we list the subject pronouns. The first you means singular, then the second you means what? Plural. What I meant when I said I hope you guys did your homework means all of you. So that's when we use how we use you in the plural form. I can also use it also in a singular form. When I'm talking to someone directly to you, say you are the person I'm talking to. You are supposed to do this. That one is singular. Okay? I think this video has taken so much time, but it's okay. Once in a while, I need to take my time to explain some few things to you, but not without telling you what these are. This is an example of a verb. A verb is different from the one we'll be talking about now. Okay? Example of a verb is like to do, doing something. Because what? A verb is the things that we do, a doing word. So here, I say what? Do means I do my homework every day after dinner. You see, I can say I do my homework every day after dinner. When I ask you a question, I said, I hope you guys did do your homeworks. So I use did because what I was talking about something in the past. So this is what we call the simple past tense. This one we call the infinitive, the first line, or the base form. So this one is the simple past. I'm talking about this word do. When we talk about, did you do your homework? Because it's in the past. I have done my homework. This one is what we call it V3. You see, when we talk about something, a finished action. I have done my homework. I have already done my homework. Okay? You see here, we're talking about do plus ing. I am doing my homework. Means I am doing it now. Okay? This one means what? He does his homework every day after school. So you see the reason for learning what is the base form, what is the simple past, what is the V3, and the past participle, verb plus ing. They are very important, because that is what studying English is all about. We have to deal with these things every now and then. Everything we'll be talking about must have a verb in one way or the other. So what we're teaching you is to understand how these verbs changes from one form to the other, When you ask questions, when you say something in the negative, means like I don't, or I'm not, or he isn't, or they aren't, that is negative. When you say something in the past or in the future, how do we use these verbs and use the helping verb like am, is, are to make it look good? That's what it's all about. Okay? So I'm going to end the video here, and I'll talk to you on the other side. Yeah, it took quite some time, but it's okay. It's not going to hurt. It's going to help you. Try to take your time to, listen carefully while you're listening. When you finish, you do what you're supposed to do. You do your workbook up till page 45. And I'll see you later. Bye for now. Be nice to your parents.